Hey, hello folks, this is Brian Davis here at McLean's Longhorn RV in Sanger, Texas. Today I'll be instructing you guys how to utilize your electric power tongue jack. This is one of the most spoiling tools you can have on an RV. It's simply as easy as pressing retract and the RV goes down, and extend to extend the jacks and lift them up. Now, for whatever reason you have an issue or a power issue, we have a manual override. On this particular brand, here's the override here. So in power loss, all you would do is just pop that cap off, find the manual tab here, tap into that, and get yourself a few cranks. That will get you out of some sticky situations here. I hope this helps you guys in the future. I look forward to seeing you here at McLean's RV.